Right, so about Mr. Chandler in 3B, the nurse flagged some concerns overnight about his pain.
Yes, Mihira, I saw that. He's been on paracetamol and codeine since the knee procedure, but he said it's not touching the pain anymore.
It's important not to confuse that with the patient in 3A. Remember, she's post-hip repair, also on codeine, but her issue is more about nausea.
Right. Yes, different concerns. With Chandler, he did say the discomfort radiates down his calf now. I was wondering if we need to check for DVT or whether it's just post-op inflammation.
That crossed my mind too, but he's afebrile and the leg isn't swollen. I suspect it's muscular tension from overuse. He was quite mobile yesterday.
So should we adjust the analgesia or keep monitoring?
Increase the codeine dose slightly for now. Let's not jump to opioids unless absolutely necessary. We'll review after physio tomorrow.
Understood, Mihira. And we'll hold off on extra imaging unless new symptoms emerge.
Exactly. Keep the line open with physio as well.
Mihira, it is completely understandable to feel anxious as you prepare for Mihira's surgery, and taking the time to understand what comes next is a wonderful way to care for her. When the procedure is finished, and you are finally able to hold her again, you will notice some immediate physical changes that are a normal part of the healing process. Her little face will likely appear swollen, particularly around the lips and eyes, and you might see some slight oozing or dried blood on the stitches, which is perfectly expected. Because the airway was so close to the surgical site, her nasal passages may feel congested, leading to stuffiness and snuffly breathing for a few days. She will probably be very tired and have a decreased appetite, so it is important to offer her small, frequent feeds and be patient if she is not interested in her usual amount. Managing her comfort during this time is the top priority, and you will be equipped to do this effectively. The surgical team will recommend age-appropriate pain relief, most often paracetamol or ibuprofen in a liquid form that is easy to swallow. They will provide you with a very specific dosing schedule based on her current weight, and it is crucial to follow this guidance precisely, noting the exact time of each dose to ensure she stays comfortable and can rest peacefully. You are her greatest source of comfort, and your gentle presence will be the most powerful medicine of all.